Choosing the best online course to become a programmer depends on your current skill level, learning style, and the specific area of programming you are interested in. Based on whether you are a beginner or experienced, here are some highly recommended online courses and platforms that cater to various needs. For beginners. 1. Codecademy. Course. Learn Python 3. Great for absolute beginners, covering the basics of Python, one of the most popular programming languages. 2. edX. Course. CS50's Introduction to Computer Science by Harvard University. A comprehensive introduction to computer science and programming, using C, Python, SQL, and more. 3. Coursera. Course. Programming for Everybody, Getting Started with Python, by the University of Michigan. An introductory course that teaches the basics of programming using Python. For intermediates. 1. Udemy. Course. The Complete JavaScript Course 2023, From Zero to Expert, by Jonas Schmettmann. A deep dive into JavaScript, covering both basics and advanced topics. 2. Pluralsight. Course. C# Fundamentals by Scott Allen. A course that covers the basics and intermediate concepts of C#, a popular language for developing desktop and web applications. For advance. 1. Coursera. Course. Algorithms, Part 1 and Part 2 by Princeton University. Advanced courses covering algorithms and data structures in depth. 2. Udacity. Nanodegree, Machine Learning Engineer. A specialized program focusing on machine learning techniques and applications. General platforms with comprehensive paths. 1. FreeCodeCamp offers a full curriculum that covers HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front-end libraries, data visualization, APIS, and back-end development. 2. Khan Academy provides courses on computer programming basics, including JavaScript and SQL. Tips for choosing the right course. Identify your goals. Consider your learning style. Check reviews and ratings.